Does the limit switch you purchase often fail when used on your equipment, causing the equipment to break down? Each time you repair the equipment, it takes a long time and may even lead to production outages, resulting in delayed product delivery. In this issue, we will tell you how to choose a new limit switch. When choosing a limit switch, we should consider the voltage and current used by our equipment, as well as the ambient temperature and ambient humidity of the site. We also need to check if oil, water, or dust might enter the limit switch during use. When using a limit switch, we must first confirm whether the current and voltage of the limit switch are compatible with our circuit, because exceeding the voltage or current range can reduce the lifespan of the limit switch and cause it to fail. Secondly, the ambient temperature can also affect the lifespan of our limit switch. If the ambient temperature exceeds certain limits, it can lead to failures in the limit switch. Finally, we need to consider the environment in which the limit switch is used to prevent water or dust from entering the switch and causing damage. When choosing a limit switch, we also need to consider its mechanical lifespan and electrical lifespan. Due to time constraints, we will end this session here. In the next session, we will continue discussing the selection of limit switches. If you have similar product needs, feel free to leave a comment or send us a private message. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.